What is PPC? PPC stands for pay-per-click advertising in search engines like Google and Bing. The ad links at the top of a search results page cost the business owner every time they are clicked. Hence, they are pay per click. However, in the digital world, we love acronyms and referring to the same thing a bunch of different ways. So PPC is also called SEM, search engine marketing, or AdWords, or Google Ads. PPC is the fastest way to generate new revenue from your website. Unlike SEO, which will take months, sometimes years, to get top rankings for a variety of important keywords, you could be at the top of Google tomorrow for all the keywords you want. Even better, you can choose to only show up in front of people who live in specific locations at a specific time for a specific budget. For example, if you're a plumber, you could set up a PPC campaign to get more blocked drain jobs on the Gold Coast on Thursdays and Fridays between 6 and 10 a.m. But never spend more than $100 a day.